On this 77th Republic Day, I wish to congratulate each one of you, your families, and the entire UCSKM fraternity. As all of you are aware that why we celebrate Republic Day, as in 1950, the country envisaged its constitution and it came into effect and adopted it. So since then, this occasion has been the permanent national festival and we have been celebrating it with lots of josh and lots of excitement right at every place in the country. Celebration is one thing, but I believe these occasions are the occasions which remind us not only our rights but also our responsibilities to the country and to the place where we live. As a student, I'm sure you understand your rights, at the same time you understand your responsibilities also. If you do not understand one out of these two, it is very difficult to grow in life. So I'm sure as much you know about your rights, same you should know about your responsibilities. So what are the responsibilities of a student? That you have a defined work to do in your life, that is shaping your life right from here. And that's possible only when you know where to go. And for that, you need to be aware of each and everything happening around you. You need to be responsible to listen to your teachers, to your parents, to your community, to your school, and ensure that whatever you do, whatever action you take, and whatever work you do should not only enhance your life, but at the same time it should not cause any disturbance and damage to others. Sometimes we have a tendency of, doing things like it doesn't matter much to me. It is somebody else's property. I am so happy in the UCSKM that we have never faced such a problem where the students feel that it is not my property, it is the property of the school, so let me spoil it. So this is what is the cultivation of culture every child must focus upon. So house is yours, school is yours, community is yours, country is yours. So similarly you need to make sure that your responsibility is to maintain the highest standards of discipline and highest standards of a mature citizen living has to come from you. If you improve yourself, it is seen that the families improve, it is seen that the community improves, and since you are the future of the country, I am sure whatever kind of future you are creating for yourself, the country will become the same. So on this very auspicious occasion, I wish to call upon your attention towards that I must live so well for the country that country should feel proud of my living into it. I'm sure the UCSKmians will make sure that no stone will be unturned to ensure success of self, success of the school, success of their family, and ultimately success of their country. And I'm sure we'll be able to do it. Wish you all the very best, and the children who are going to perform today, all the best wishes to all those children, and thanks to the teachers for having prepared them for the program. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for your inspiring and valuable words. To start today's program on a spiritual note, we invite the Sanskrit choir party for the Saraswati Vandana, prepared by respected Sudhama.
Let us seek the blessing of Goddess Saraswati, the symbol of knowledge, wisdom and learning.
या
ज्ञान बुद्धि और विद्या की देवी। अब हम अपने कार्यक्रम को आगे बढ़ाते हुए हमारी संस्कृत कोयर पार्टी को आमंत्रित करते हैं। जहाँ ज्ञान है वही उज्जवल भविष्य है। तो हमारी प्रस्तुति को आगे बढ़ाते हुए आमंत्रित करते हैं हमारे नन्हे नन्हे नृतकों को सरस्वती वंदना के लिए। Now it's time to express our love for the motherland. Please welcome the student for the Vande Mataram dance. Vande Mataram is not just a song; it is an emotion that lives in every Indian's heart. Next, we invite our talented choir party.
अधिकार। आज हम सभी 26 जनवरी गणतंत्र दिवस को मनाने के लिए एकत्रित हुए हैं। गणतंत्र दिवस हमें याद दिलाता है हमारे वीरों के बलिदान।
Respected visionary principal sir, my dedicated teachers and my dear Indians, a very happy Republic Day to you all.
गणतंत्र दिवस हमें याद दिलाता है हमारे वीरों के बलिदान और कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के वह मूल्य जस्टिस, लिबर्टी, इक्वालिटी एंड कॉन्टिन्यूटी जो हमें बनाता है एक मजबूत राष्ट्र।
I am GSI, a proud student of class 8th Mars. And as I stand here today, my heart is not just filled with words. It is filled with the vibration of thousand dreams that become a reality on this day in 1950.
And I am Akshita Tiwari. Republic Day is not just a date on a calendar. It is a reminder of our responsibility. Our ancestors gave us a free India. And now it's our turn to build a grand India.
Whether it is through our studies, our kindness or our discipline, every small act is a service to nation.
अभी जैसे हम हमारे राइट्स को एंजॉय कर रहे हैं, हमें अपनी ड्यूटीज नहीं भूलनी है। हम ये राइट्स को एंजॉय इसलिए कर पा रहे हैं बिकॉज आवर सोल्जर्स गार्ड आवर बॉर्डर डे एंड नाइट एंड काउंटलेस अनसंग हीरोज वर्क साइलेंटली टू कीप आवर नेशन मूविंग फॉरवर्ड।
Republic Day is a reminder that freedom is not free. It was earned with blood, sweat and sacrifice. Let us share two stories that touch the soul of India. During the Kargil war, a young soldier Vikram Batra wrote a letter to his mother before going to battle. He said, "If I return, I will hold your hand and smile. If I don't, remember, I smiled for my country." That soldier never come back, but his smile still lives in every Indian heart.
Years earlier, during a freedom struggle, a youngster Bhagat Singh kissed the gallows with a smile. When asked why, he said, "They can kill me, but they cannot kill my ideas." His sacrifice reminded that our freedom was built on courage and conviction.
On this Republic Day, let us bow our heads to those who gave us this freedom and raise our voices to say, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you, Vande Mataram. Jia and Akshita for your inspiring words. The thoughts of today's students will shape the future of our nation. Once again, let us feel the patriotic energy. So please welcome the choir party for another patriotic song. our respected Meenakshi ma'am.
What a wonderful celebration. It is our honor and privilege to invite our respected principal sir to address us on this proud occasion of Republic Day. Sirs would always motivate and inspire us to become a responsible citizen.
The efforts put in by the students for this cultural extravaganza, with whatever little time they got, you all have done wonderful performance. Keep it up. Thank you very much for your preparation, your time, your energy, and thanks to the teachers who have prepared them so well, and thanks to the parents as well who manage the costumes. All children, all girls and boys are looking very smart today. So thank you very much for such a wonderful show, and very well done.
Good morning to one and all present here. So there was a competition amongst the teachers a few days back. They were also given a holiday homework like the students have been given. So don't think the students कि सिर्फ हमें holiday homework मिलता है, teachers को भी holiday homework मिलता है, because sir wants that we should also improvise. and the teachers were given a task of making some videos. A big round of applause for all of them. So we have a few winners here, and I request Principal Sir and Anjana ma'am to kindly honor them. Ma'am, please. So among the female staff, the best video was by Monica Sharma. A big round of applause for Monica. So 2 winners in each category. And the other one who made a wonderful video was Sudha Tomar. Amongst the male staff members, the best video, Mr. Mohit Bhatia. A big round of applause. And Mr. Vivek Tiwari. Thank you, ma'am and sir, and congratulations to all the winners and better luck next time for the ones who did not make it.
सभी अध्यापक गण और प्यारे विद्यार्थियों और अभिभावक गण, आप सभी को सबसे पहले 77वें गणतंत्र दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। अधिक समय न लेता हुआ मैं बहुत ही अल्प शब्दों में देश हित में कुछ बात रखने जा रहा हूं, कृपया धैर्यपूर्वक सुने। ये आतंकी के गालों पर दिल्ली के चाटे होते, ये आतंकी के गालों पर दिल्ली के चाटे होते, गर हमने दो के बदले में भी शीश काटे होते, पर हमने दो के बदले में भी शीश काटे होते, बार बार दुनिया के आगे हम ना शर्मिंदा होते, और हमारे सारे सैनिक सीमा पर जिंदा होते। बार बार की गद्दारी को भारत क्यों सह जाता है, ज्यादा संयम भी दिखलाना कायरता कहलाता है। हमने 68 साल खो दिए श्वेत कपोत उड़ाने में, खूनी पंजों के गिद्धों को गायत्री समझाने में। रावलपिंडी वालों को सपने में काल दिखाओ तो, भारत माता की आंखों में डोरे लाल दिखाओ तो, दिल्ली वालों ठोकर मारो दुनिया के हथकंडों पर, इजराइल से जीना सीखो अपने ही भुजदंडों पर। दिल्ली वालों अपने मन को बुद्ध करो या कृद्ध करो, कश्मीर को दान करो या गद्दारों से युद्ध करो। जब कस भारत के नारे हो गुलमर्दों की गलियों में, शिमला समझौता जलता हो बंदूकों की नलियों में। सेना को आदेश थमा दो घाटी गैर नहीं होगी, जहां तिरंगा नहीं दिखेगा उसकी खैर नहीं होगी। दुनिया को एहसास कराओ हम निर्णय ले सकते हैं, हम भी ईंटों का उत्तर पत्थर से दे सकते हैं। अब तो वक्त बदलना सीखो डरते डरते जीने का, दुनिया को एहसास कराओ 56 इंची सीने का। अंत में मैं 2 पंक्ति पढ़ना चाहूंगा। ये प्यारे बच्चों आप सभी ध्यान दो और इस 2 पंक्ति को आप सभी बड़े धैर्य से और अपने अंदर एक देशभक्ति की आग से गुनगुनाना। पर्वत को बाजू में तोलो, पर्वत को बाजू में तोलो, सोने भरो निगाहों में, आंसू की पूजा मत करना बलिदानों की राहों में। तुम भी सीमा रेखा तोड़ो, तुम भी सीमा रेखा तोड़ो, आगे बढ़ जयनाद करो। 48 में खोया था जो कश्मीर आजाद करो, 48 में खोया था जो कश्मीर आजाद करो। एक बार सभी मेरे साथ भारत माता की जय बोलेंगे और ये जय आवाज जो हमारी उस भारतीय सेना की उस सीमा तक जानी चाहिए। भारत माता की, भारत माता की, भारत माता की। वंदे वंदे वंदे। धन्यवाद।